Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the versatile VASAGLE side table with storage, a perfect blend of functionality and style for your living room or bedroom. This rustic brown and black end table is not just a piece of furniture but a charging station with 2 AC outlets, 2 USB ports, and a 4.9-foot extension cord, allowing you to power up your phone, tablet, lamp, and game console all at once. Say goodbye to clutter with its open shelf for magazines or storage baskets and a flippable tabletop to hide miscellaneous items, ensuring a tidy space. Designed with convenience in mind, it features fabric bags in 3 sizes to accommodate everything from tablets to remotes, while grooves on both sides let cords pass through seamlessly. The table's compact size, at 23.6 inches deep, 12.4 inches wide, and 23.6 inches high, makes it an ideal fit for tight spaces, with rustic brown particle board panels and classic black steel legs adding a touch of elegance. Not overlooked details like the power strip's strategic placement ensure it doesn't interfere with storage, making this side table a smart choice for modern living. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more great product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.